California side is reworking its vaccination distribution strategy for delivering and tracking vaccines in an answer to the many rollout delays.
News Channel 3's Danny Romero explains why this is happening.
From full appointment slots to issues with booking your appointment online, we know your concerns, and so does the state. That's why California is in the process of changing the way the vaccines are distributed.
We're building a statewide vaccine administration network. We're thinking of tapping into the expertise and experience of a third-party administrator to make vaccine distribution more efficient.
With this plan, state health officials hope it will give California more control over who gets the COVID-19 shots. The third-party help will allocate vaccines directly to providers.
It's going to include public health systems, pharmacies, public hospitals, community clinics, pop-ups, and mobile sites.
So who's the third party?
As soon as we have more information about the third-party administrator in terms of making an announcement about who that will be and what the scope of their work will be, we'll definitely be sharing that.
This comes as the state moves to rearrange the order of when people are scheduled to get the coronavirus vaccine. Instead of a model based on occupation, it will now be based on age.
Really want to focus on eligibility requirements so that people across the state understand when it's their turn.
Under the new plan, the state will still prioritize healthcare workers, first responders, seniors over 65, food and agricultural workers, and school staff. But other essential workers will have to wait.
Younger individuals who are in professions or in situations where they aren't nearly as exposed as some of the other high exposure industries will end up waiting a little longer than others who have either high risk or high exposures.
We reached out to the county and they say that Riverside County will follow state guidelines in its vaccine response and will continue to do so. Danny Romero, News Channel 3.